Good day, members. Now I will make a short video to have introductions on my coming class on February 25th. Okay, to understand and how to trade the structure warrant. Okay, before I begin, let we have some start outlook in current market situation. Okay, what you can see here is the our Dow Jones, and this is updated until almost 27th of January. Okay, so you can see here we have a lot of a zigzag movement like this. Okay, like this, and it's already moving up. Okay, and you can see here we have look like Dow Jones also having a resistance level at these two areas. These three you can see here and here and here. Okay, so and this one is what we have a red line is a 2022 opening. That means 1 year ago the price is around here, and we are almost reached back the entire recovery line back to the beginning of 2023. Okay, but however, is it the market now is already fully recovered and ready to go up more higher? That's the question that, and a lot of resistance in this level for the market to break before it can go up more higher. And also in this year we will have how the entire 2023, the whole environment of a market is going to have a moving in a lot of black swan activity. There's been a lot of unforeseen things might be happen to make the market downturn again. Okay, because in the stock market is reflect everything is look rosy and the recovery is coming, and it's look like the softening of the rate increase is already been priced in and the recovery has been started. But however, in the behind we still see a lot of economy data, especially CPI is still high, and the US still in a QT position. So when you have in these two positions, it will be a quite unlikely market to be going up more higher than the old high in 2022. It's because the money is actually in QT, all the money is flow out from the market. But however, we have seen the entire years when it's around October, the rebound has been continued until now. And what you can see here, the percentage is for Dow Jones is already recovery 21% from the low. So is it this one is going to have a minor correction, or will we going up some more? Okay, but however, based on the new indicator that I made is a VF trade zone. This is a VF trade zone. We can see here the green area is getting mild, is getting lower. That means the momentum to push it more higher is already getting lesser. Okay, not means that it will immediately down, but however, this we need to have a very strong data or things to support the market to going up more further. That means the resistance is getting higher and higher. Okay, so this is some outlook about Dow Jones. Then we will move up a little bit to Hang Seng Index, where you can see that in this Hang Seng Index, it also been have a good V-shape, very aggressive V-shape during the market is been reopened, during China is reopened and caused the entire ASEAN market, especially Hong Kong, have a feeling of getting a more income of economies running. Okay, so but however, you can see here, the rebound is already in a history high, almost 55%, almost 56 already, 99.99%. So with this type of a V-shaped recovery, as we know, in a healthy pullback is need for the market to go up more higher. So is it this thing is going to have a deep cut come in? Okay, so that's why we need to be prepared. In the main profile, we are hoping the market to recovery. Actually, we need to be prepared to get some structured warrant, especially put warrant, to get some insurance if the market certainly turn the other side. If the things go well, our main profile will be continue making a profit, but we also need to have backup with some short position or put warrant to ensure if anything drop, we still have some insurance to cover back our losses. Okay, so this is the and you can pay attention on this VF trade zone here. Okay, so it look like it's quite strong, and this one is still continue quite strong. Okay, so but however, what we are waiting here is this one, the any of the changing when the green change to red color. Okay, so this is look like example like the in our Dow Jones. Okay, Dow Jones, the green color is getting not strong. So anytime it will be changed to red. When you have a change of red, it is going to have a correction. Okay, I put in here is a correction is because that I'm still thinking that is the entire things will be still going to be good. Okay, but a correction in the market actually is quite needed. Okay, so for it to continue to test the level before it can go up more higher. Okay, so this is a little bit about Hang Seng, and you can see that in back to in Malaysia, we also have a V-shaped recovery since October, November. Every market have happened at the same time. Okay, so and our recovery is in already 11%, and it look like we are zigzagging here. Okay, so like waiting something or any, but our momentum is getting weaker and weaker. But based on the indicator that I'm make here and combine together with the VF line, the previous indicator. Okay, so both together it show that Malaysia market and US market actually is getting weaker. Compare Hang Seng Index. Hang Seng Index, the background is still getting better. Still can be said that it's still strong. But however, market cannot go in the straight line. Any possible of a black swan or any bad news coming in, the whole things might be a collapse. So that's why we need to be get ready for structured warrant. Okay, to have an insurance. Also, if you want to trade the short position, also you can use the put warrant, structured warrant. Okay, so if the market is continue going up, you also can using the call warrant is under a structured warrant, because structured warrant can be traded both way, the up and down. Okay, so here I just need to explain a little bit about the course, the training, the class that I conducted coming in this February 25th, what you will be learned. Okay, so the first one actually will be more concentrate on this Macquarie and Kenanga Naga warrant. Okay, so because in we will spend almost a half day to cover up to understand the entire structured warrant in Malaysia that is available. Okay, it's not only a Macquarie offer the structured warrant. Kenanga Naga warrant also offer some of it also offer a very good warrant you can choose to trade, because choosing a correct warrant is very important, because some warrant is did not move one. Some warrant is move really identical with the index. Okay, so this is the main thing that we will share. Then after that, on the same on the class also, we will go into how to different the market cycle and the market stages. Okay, market cycle actually is a different with market stages. Market stages you have learned is from stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. Market cycle is more, is like something like this. Okay, so I put it aside the slide here and make it more a little bit advanced a little bit. Actually, market cycle is something about like this. Okay, so when you have to a trading, okay, let's say example, now we already reached 28 here. Okay, so we left another 2 days trading before these important things happen. This is what important thing. This is the FOMC rate announcement. Okay, actually it's happened 2 days now. Okay, 1 day's announcement. Second day will be the how to say, is an announcement of the rate. Okay, so that's why when you sometimes when you're applying, let's say example, you're applying a pullback, okay, a pullback method, or you're applying a breakout method. That means you break out, you just in, okay, or you in the pullback. But however, if the method is not no problem, but just the method, if it happen in this rough because a lot of data coming up, there will be disturb the stock market to move. Okay, so when you are applying, even though a pullback or go into a breakout, but you are, if anytime the FOMC certainly say that 0.5% of increase of a rate, so it will cause a black swan to the market. So that's why this one we need to learn and need to be alert. Where is the important date is happen? So we have a window of a trading. Let's say example like after 25th, okay, so you have a small window of trading in here. Okay, so after this Feb, okay, so you have another small trading window in around here in Monday, Tuesday with a 6, 7, 8. Okay, before another news has been coming out. Okay, so this is coming out from this when you have a circle like this is a MSCI index rebalance. When you have a rebalance, actually it will make sometimes the volume is getting super high, okay, but it will be causing your index or your indicator have some problem. Okay, so because the rebalance of the volume. Okay, so that's why this is a very I think is a very important things we need to be know on this market cycle and with market stages. Okay, market cycle I last year I found it is very important because some period you should not trade. Okay, some period you need to be trade. Okay, so and also we will share that is how the important economy indicator will affect all this index. Okay, so in my class I will share how we plug in. Okay, you can see here, maybe it's not too small here. Actually, it's a FOMC meeting. This is minutes, PPI data where it will be released, CPI. This is inflation rate, consumer sentiment index, and the consumer confidence index, and non-farm payroll. Okay, this is the most of the index that is very important that will be affect the entire market cycle. Okay, so we need to take a look when we are plugged into the chart. Okay, so when you are joining my class, okay, the VF I will give you, and also the VF trade zone I also will give you free, okay, to use it for 1 year until you are if you are renewing your license. There will be some different charges lah. Okay, so however you may test it for 1 year, so hopefully you can make a very some profit for 2023, okay, or avoid any how to say this big dip. Okay, so other than that, then see how you need to resubscribe for next year or not lah. Okay, so included this thing I also will be give to you. This is a Dow Jones where all this line is a line whereby some indicator of new indicator but new data is coming in, and all this indicator you can see what will happen. You can see that sometimes when you see a chart is look okay, but when you have a consumer sentiment, this means this one CSS data is not really promising. This one certainly is coming down. Okay, so but you can see that when you're coming down, you have an NS like a supporting. Okay, so this means you will know that the market has something purposely or being controlled by Treasury or US Treasury, is make sure it was someone is big enough to control and maintain this support, but the support is look like getting weaker. Okay, so this is one of the data that is when you join my training, I will let you know how the important how you see this economy indicator. Okay, so other than that, okay, so I also will focus on how you do a structured trading structured warrant trading method. Okay, this trading method we will introduce to you what is a call and put warrant to enter the method, and when you need to cut loss, because a structured warrant can be considered is a high risk investment. Okay, so it's something like you are walking into a casino. Okay, you need to know which table you need to trade. Okay, some table you trade okay, some table you trade beginning is okay, but after that the market situation that you are maybe we judge wrongly, so we need to quickly change our direction. Okay, so that's why in the training we will introduce you to two different type of tools mechanism like Naga Warrant and Macquarie Warrant, because both Macquarie Warrant, they've got a lot of indicator. Okay, which one you need to choose, which one is better. You even though the expiring date is look the same, okay, but you need to see what is the percentage they change according to their index. Okay, so this one will also be very important. Then we need to be judged which one to follow. Okay, so beside Macquarie, also we have a Naga Warrant, also give us a very good data analysis, the background, sensitiveness, and intrinsic value. Okay, but what kind of a structured warrant we have trade. Okay, so this one is very important also when we are choosing the correct warrants to trade. If you choose the wrong one, even though how the market is moved, actually is the warrant did not move identically. Okay, so this will cause you a lot of headache also. Okay, so other than that, then we also explore how the some indicator can be provided by Macquarie and also Naga Warrant. Okay, so to give us a short-term bullishness or bearish. Okay, so this one is extra information that we can get from all this website. Not saying that it's 100% good, but we can be making as a reference. Okay, so beside on all this cut loss and how to take profit in the structured warrant, we also will introduce to you to a pairing method. A pairing method is actually look like a actually is a pairing on two structured warrants together. Okay, so like a pairing one, this is some slide from the training material. Okay, so we need to pairing, like we need to choose a call and put warrant at the same time. Okay, a put warrant, this is a call warrant and this is a put warrant. Okay, so which one it can be paired is not all warrants and structure warrant is pairable. Some is up more higher, some is down more higher. So we need to find something is equivalent. Let's say up also the same, and if anything down also the same. Okay, so that we can have a technique to pair and when we start to unpair. Okay, because the pairing method just only a buying time, is not making a 100% profit, is a buying time if in case anything we have wrong when we are going into the market, because the market is really out of what we can think about it. Okay, so because market can be whereas anything, but we need to be prepared if anything is the item go down or go up, we need to have some insurance or we calculate our risk. Okay, so this is the pairing information. Okay, pairing information, and we will if we have more time, actually I will be cover up some market outlook in and which structure warrant trading strategy guide. Okay, so this is we need to benefit from the market situation now. Let's say example, I go back to the beginning of the slide here. Okay, because in this market currently now we are in a quite the entire year will be just beginning only. Okay, now in January and in the February is everything's holiday also end for China, and US also after already the quarterly report. February onward and March, I think a lot of activity will be happening. Okay, and as we know that in March a new tank has been sent to Ukraine, okay, by German, US, okay, cause all the tank go there and to fight to let the war to be continue. Okay, so actually US need the war to continue to hide all the their agenda. Okay, the fight in this world is not that going to end, I think. Okay, so that's why a lot of possibility might be happen, and our market now is already charging in a very high side, I can say that. in the high side. So this one will create an opportunity. We need to be standby in case if the market really hits some bomb or black swan, what you need to trade. Okay, structured warrant, put warrant can give you a benefit for when you have a market certainly hit a black swan or hit a bomb, certainly coming down. Okay, so this is some structured warrant that I will share in the class, and also I will in the market cycle where I also will share on how you need to be understand on this market work. Okay, market usually they'll use market rumors first, then come out with a market news and data analysis. This is something like market rumors saying that, oh, the CPI should be good, okay, everything should be rosy. Then the market news come out, okay, or some buying sentiment is not so good. The quarterly report also not so good. Oil is coming up, okay. So this is a market news. Then suddenly you analyze the data. Oh, oil price is going up, okay. Second-hand car price is going down, okay. All these things will be gathered into a data analysis, okay. After that, they will be go into your data result. That means when you have a data come up, what it will cost the market is it cost the market come down or cost the market is going down. This is some analysis, okay. Then we'll come to a market reaction. That means the real market, where's the directions going, okay. So we need to dissect the entire market using this type of formula, okay. Sometimes you know that the rumors, example like the China reopen, okay, then come out the market news, okay, China really reopen, okay, and come out the data analysis later on. Is it China after opening all the economy, is it that rosy, okay. So if this one is not that rosy, what is the data result will coming out into the market, okay. So and what really affect the market, okay. So at the end of these two parts is the most important thing. So how we judging the market, okay. So this is a lot of things I will be sharing in this one day training course, okay. Hopefully members that you need to learn structured warrant, you can and also how to understand the market, because the second part of a market cycle or important economy indicator is not only apply in structured warrant, you can apply in many investment strategy. Okay, so this is some pairing and a two VF indicator. I will give you the free. This is called a VF trade zone, and this is a VF trade line. It is it will be working a pairing together. When you see a green structure, that means the whole entire market, the momentum is still high there. And for member has been attempts before my pullback, okay, when you see the market is still above a 20 moving average and the VF still on the up time, okay, that means all this time to jump in this pullback is a safe checkpoint. Okay, so this one, this new indicator, I have been tested for 1 year. So far so good. Okay, so if we don't turn to a red color, continue maintain in green. Okay, so you will be a standby. If anything break out, suddenly the things change. Okay, or you follow the VF indicator, you can straight away can have a trading opportunity. Okay, so in this structured warrant also, we are not only focused on index, okay, because the entire structured warrant is also you can invest in stock market like Genting, PAT, okay, British Tobacco, okay. So all these giant company, they also have some structured warrant on it, okay. So so before I stop, okay, so this is the coming my class, okay, this is coming my class. And if the market really come to a bear market in the first half or second half, okay, because now we are down, okay, so now we are up, so this one might be come down again, okay. So this is happened in October, and this one might be happen in April, okay. So we somewhere around here, but we are not sure if the black swan can happen. Anything might be coming down, okay. But market, with what we know in the history of market cannot be straightforward until now, okay. So even though it's down, we will go down, and up also will go up, okay. So this one I will be limited on of 25 pack, okay, to limit small classes, okay, so that the 3-month coaching and monitoring can give it better understanding for our members, okay. So and this fees actually is lower than last time, okay, because we try to lower our cost, and we will bring back this cost saving back to our members. Hope that we can share more on our learning and get feedback to learn from our members also, okay, during the 3-month coaching, okay. I also still learning, okay, so some of the input from the members is quite good to help me to learn more also, okay. Let's learn together, okay. So that's all for today's, okay. Hopefully more members can join, and we will share more on this coming 25th February 2023. Okay, thanks, bye.